Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily spot that your speaker is charging. Turn on your speaker and as you can see mine is in the playing mode because it's after factory reset, but if you plug your cable here into this little hole, which is the charging port, at the bottom of the speaker you should see white light showing the battery level. Like here, as you can see, now it's steady, but sometimes it was pulsating, and now you see blue light because you're in the pairing mode. But once you plug in and the cable, this should become white and show you the battery level. Like when it's full, it's here. When it's halfway, it's here somewhere. You know what I mean. That's how it works. Goodbye.